Welcome back to the Active Controls YouTube channel. Today I'm going to touch on our latest product offering, which is our inline pump starter. Now, I've had many requests from customers saying, hey, what can we do for pumps? The wired version, we can't do that. What do you have coming out? So we spent a few months developing our inline pump starter. And this works actually pretty good. I'm seeing between 50 to 60, even 70% reduction on the inrush current when starting a motor with this device. Now it's going to be available in two offerings. One where it's wired behind a contactor where you can hardwire it yourself, and also one with the plug. The basic difference, again, the plug, but this device is designed to do a single start. What does that mean? It means it gets power, it ramps the output. Now, with this, along with all our products, we have an app. Within that app, you'll notice that we have settings available. Standard with all our apps, you'll be able to see the voltage, the current, the frequency, okay? We'll monitor energy in this one as well. But most importantly, in the settings, we're gonna have where you can adjust the ramp time and the percentage of startup power. So that way you're able to pick the right combination to work with your pump. Now by default, it's going to ship with a 1 second ramp and a 15% startup power configuration. But then you are able to change it and select the best option that works for your setup. Now, this is much different than our standard plug and play. This is a single start device, and more importantly, it's only a start when power is applied to it. So this is very specific to a pump. You will see some follow-up product that we have coming. Our inverter model still being tested, as well as our power tools model. That model is quite nice as well for power tools, and it will be able to be used in some other applications, even for pumps, where it's a pressure mechanism where the pump always has power coming in, but yet it's a pressure switch that turns it on. So it's not quite in series, so this can't be used, but the power tools version will be able to be used. So stay tuned for that. It's coming out soon.